Good morning, my dear students. Last class we have seen Akbar and Birbal, story of Akbar and Birbal. Today I am going to give you the magical mirror, story of magical mirror. Excellent story. Actually, why I am telling all these stories, actually, you will be supplied with a list of words, vocabularies, and you got to frame the story using that vocabularies and the first line, outline of the story. But I am giving the story. This is an example. So you will be given vocabularies. You have to frame the story. But I will send the story along with the vocabularies. How we have built the story, you have to study. You have to listen me carefully and you have to read the notes also. So that you can frame any story from any list of words. That is the motive of this storytelling. Okay. The magical mirror. Once there lived a small girl with her parents in a small town. She was very rich. Whatever she asks, her parents will buy them. So she was very happy. Whatever she needs, she will get it. One day, she saw a mirror in a shop. Immediately, she asked her parents, please buy it. Immediately, her parents bought the mirror and took the mirror to the house. She placed the mirror in a room. She was overjoyed. சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. ஏன்னா அவ கேட்டதெல்லாம் அவங்க அப்பா வாங்கி கொடுக்குறா, அதனால பேரண்ட் வாங்கி கொடுக்குறதுனால. ஸோ அந்த மிரருக்கு முன்னாடி she stood before the mirror with joyful face. She was smiling. But unfortunately, the mirror doesn't reflect it. The mirror didn't reflect it. And the mirror அதை reflect பண்ணவே இல்லை. Instead, the reflection was very sad. She was surprised. I am very joyful. I am smiling in front of this mirror, but the mirror didn't show that. Instead, it showed her sad face. வருத்தமா இருக்க மாதிரி அந்த மிரர்ல தெரியறது. Being a small child, she couldn't understand why it is so. So, she went to a shop immediately. She went to a shop and purchased a lot of chocolates, biscuits. She ate it. She became overjoyed. Immediately, she came to the mirror and she saw her reflection. But even then, the mirror showed a sad face of her. So, she didn't know what to do. She went away. She went to a park in the evening just to play. On one side of the park, she saw a boy, small boy, who was crying. Immediately she approached that boy and asked why you were crying. He didn't answer. She bought some chocolates, she bought some cakes, etc. She gave it to him. Even then he didn't stop the cry. And the பையன் நிறுத்த மாட்டேங்கிறான். Then immediately she convinced the boy. Why she was asking, why you were crying? The boy said at last, I lost my parents. Where you lost? Here in the park. Immediately she told the boy, please don't cry. Stay here. I will find your parents. Immediately she ran away and she searched in the park and at last she found out the boy's parents. Immediately she brought the parents to the boy. On seeing the boy, the parents hugged the boy. The boy was very happy. And the parents thanked the girl wholeheartedly. They thanked her. The girl immediately felt very happy. I have done a best job today. A good job. I have done a good job today. So immediately she returned to her house. And she stood before the mirror and she was seeing a light in her face in the reflection. She was very joyful. The mirror reflects the same. There was a light, a glow in her face in the mirror image. ஸோ இமீடியட்லி அப்போ அந்த பொண்ணு அங்கே பார்க்கும் பொழுது அந்த அவளுடைய ஃபேஸில் இருக்கிற அந்த பிரகாசம் அப்படியே அந்த இமேஜ் அந்த ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன்ல தெரியாது. Her face was glowing in the mirror. She was joyful. So immediately she came to a conclusion that the mirror reflects her mind. Joyness in the mind, not joyness in the face. ஸோ மனதில் இருக்கிற சந்தோஷத்தை அந்த மிரர் ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் பண்ணுறது. முகத்தில் இருக்கிற சந்தோஷம், அகத்தின் அழகே அழகு அப்படின்ற உண்மையை அந்த பொண்ணு புரிஞ்சுட்டு, ஆஃப்டர் தட் she helped all the others. She spent a lot of money for others and enjoyed the life. So this is the moral. So நம்மளுடைய மனதின் அகத்தின் அழகே அழகு, அதை தான் அந்த மிரர் காமிக்கிறது. தட் இஸ் த மேஜிக்கல் மிரர். ஸோ உண்மையான சந்தோஷம் வேர் இட் லைஸ் அப்படின்னும் பொழுது மற்றவங்களுக்கு உதவி செய்யறதில்ல. அதனால கிடைக்கிற அகத்தின் அழகு தான், ஹாப்பினஸ் தான் உண்மையான ஹாப்பினஸ். This is the moral we are getting from this story. So tomorrow I will meet you with another story. Okay, thank you.